When we're working on home care for shin splints or medial tibial stress syndrome, we're trying to reach a compartment that's hard to get to. It's deep to the soleus and the gastroc, that bigger part of the calf muscle. We're looking at the flexor compartment, which is made up of the tibialis posterior, which is our main focus, as well as the flexor digitorum longus, flexor hallucis longus. Now, those muscles probably don't mean a whole lot to you if you can't reach them. So we're going to show you how to use a stick real quick to reach that compartment and give yourself some release and start giving these muscles attention so you can start relieving your shin splints today. When we're wanting to roll this compartment, we need to realize where it's at. So you can touch this by coming off the side of your tibia bone, pushing that bigger part of the calf muscles out of the way, and right on the inside of that ridge of the tibia bone there is where that tibialis posterior and that flexor compartment lies. So when we want to roll this out, we want to take our rolling pin, roll off the side of the tibia, push in, and go from knee to ankle. So what we've done is pushed the bigger part of the soleus and the gastrocs out of the way to reach that deeper compartment. That's typically where we see a lot of the stress when we're dealing with shin splints, and a lot of that pain is right along the ridge of that tibia. These muscles will come down, go behind the bump or the medial malleolus of the foot or of the ankle, and come down into the foot.